Take a moment to look at a washing machine that is used in many places. Nowadays, most people prefer not to bother with measuring out powdered or liquid detergents. They simply toss a small pod into the machine, and the job is done. These small laundry pods are becoming increasingly popular in homes, hostels, hotels, and laundromats. The interesting thing is that many of these pods are produced by small and medium manufacturers, not only big brands. That means some room exists in the entry-level and B2B segment. So if you are looking for a good business idea that has shown growing consumer interest in urban areas, then this video is for you. Yes friends, today we will see how this manufacturing process works and what it realistically takes to build a small pod production unit. So friends, don't skip this video. Make sure you watch until the end. And also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get the latest news of upcoming videos first. Come on, let's start. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market overview and opportunities. Laundry detergent pods are becoming very popular because they are simple to use and less messy than powder or liquid detergents. Especially many urban households now prefer pods because they save time and give the correct amount of detergent for every wash. And the laundry service industry is also growing fast in cities and small towns, which increases the demand for ready-to-use detergent pods. Also, as the use of automatic washing machines increases in emerging economies, the demand for powder or liquid detergents will be good. In India, the detergent market is already very large and slowly shifting toward convenient products like pods. Moreover, while established brands dominate the premium segment, the entry-level and B2B supply segment remains relatively unexplored, though this varies significantly by city and region. What's inside the pod? In the detergent pod, there is a highly concentrated liquid detergent containing cleaning agents, stain removers, enzymes, and a light fragrance inside. Moreover, the liquid is carefully pre-measured, so a single pod is sufficient for one wash cycle, offering great convenience to users. And its outer layer is made of a special water-soluble film called PVA, which dissolves completely in the washing machine without leaving any residue. Also, some pods have multiple chambers, where each section contains a different mixture of detergent, softener or polish. So when the pod dissolves in water, all these ingredients mix and start cleaning clothes quickly. How is a detergent pod made? The manufacturing process begins with the preparation of the laundry liquid mixture in a mixing tank. For this, surfactants, cleaning agents, fragrances, and additives are carefully blended to create a balanced laundry detergent mixture. After that, the prepared liquid is then transferred to the pod forming machine, where the machine places water-soluble PVA film in molds, fills the inside with the detergent liquid, and seals the pods automatically. Then, after closing, the pods are carefully collected and inspected for leaks or damage. Finally, the finished pods are packaged into containers or bags, ready for sale. Required raw materials. The main ingredient for detergent pod preparation is a liquid detergent solution containing surfactants, cleaning agents, enzymes, fragrance, and color. Apart from that, another important material is a water-soluble film called PVA film, which completely dissolves in water when rinsed. Additionally, some manufacturers also use fabric softeners or stain removal additives to improve cleaning performance. Fragrance oils are added to ensure that the clothes smell fresh after washing. All these raw materials are available from chemical disruptors in local markets, or you can get them from online platforms. Required machines. The main machine used in this business is a detergent pod forming and sealing machine. This machine automatically fills liquid detergent into small pockets of water-soluble film and seals them into pods. And some of the machines can produce hundreds of pods every hour depending on capacity. Next, you may also need a mixing tank to prepare the detergent liquid, a small storage tank, and a packaging machine for packing the pods into plastic containers or pouches. And many manufacturers supply these machines both online and offline. Total cost for business. The investment for a small laundry detergent pod manufacturing unit can vary depending on machine capacity. The cost for a basic semi-automatic system can range from approximately 6 to 10 lakhs in US dollars, that's $6,450, and $10,700, including the machinery, mixing tank, and initial raw materials. A fully automatic production line may cost 15 lakhs to 30 lakh rupees, but in US dollars it is $16,000 to $32,000 or more, depending on speed and automation. In addition, you should budget for working capital, packaging, branding, marketing, and distribution, which can significantly increase the total investment required. This is only a rough estimate and may vary depending on your location. Therefore, conduct thorough research before investing. Required licenses. In India, operating this business legally requires certain fundamental registrations. Therefore, the business must first be registered as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a private limited company. Apart from that, GST registration is required to sell the product in the market. Also, since detergent pods are a cleaning product, manufacturers may be required to adhere to basic chemical safety, compliance, and labeling as per Indian standards. In some cases, approval from the Pollution Control Board may be required depending on the scale of production. Also, these legal permits may require additional types in many locations. So obtain the necessary permits depending on your location. Space requirement. One advantage of this business is that it does not require a very large factory. A small production unit can operate in about 800 to 1200 square feet of space. That space should include a mixing area for detergent liquid, a machine section for pod forming, and a packing area. Proper ventilation and a clean water supply are important for safe production. Storage space is also needed for raw materials and finished products. With a simple layout, the production can run. A compact layout is sufficient for early stage production. Marketing tips. Marketing plays a big role in the industry as many customers are still learning about detergent pods. Therefore, your attractive packaging and clear instructions help build trust with buyers. Then you can start by having small producers supply pods to local supermarkets, laundries, hostels, and hotels. Additionally, online platforms such as Amazon and Flipkart, as well as social media marketplaces, provide a potential distribution channel to reach customers. Offering small trial packs allows people to experience the product firsthand before committing to purchasing larger packages. Therefore, through consistent quality and intelligent B2B targeting, some manufacturers can establish a stable foundation for recurring orders. So friends, if you plan this properly, start on a small scale, and focus on quality, this business has the potential to grow into a sustainable venture. But do not rush. Take time to understand the process, test your product, and build trust with customers. And this video is only for educational purposes. The investment, profit, and demand can change based on your location, market condition, and execution. So please do your own research before starting any business and consult a professional if needed. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.